Welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna do a mail call unboxing video. And I got this package sent to me from one of my subscribers, Deorse. And the link to his channel, I will put it in the description box. And here is the big box he sent me. And it's pretty heavy too. It weighs 4.8 kilo. So, pretty heavy. But before we get into this, we will be back after this message. Welcome back, guys. Let's get into this video, shall we? Okay, here we have the box. Here we have the utility knife. And let's open this and see what we can find. And we need to be gentle because we don't want to damage anything. Yeah, and okay, it's nice and through. Very easy. Nice and smooth. Oh, it cuts well actually. So, okay, now guys, now we have opened it. So, let's see what we can find in here. It is some protection, and it's an MRE paper. No need. Letter, I read that later. Let's see what we have here. MREs. This is menu 2. Vegetable crumbles with pasta in taco style sauce. That sounds really yummy actually. I put that away. And we have another MRE. This is also menu 2, vegetable crumbles with pasta in taco style sauce. Nice to have MREs actually, but they are so expensive. And we have another one. This is menu 13. Tortellini in tomato sauce. Okay. This will be awesome. Interesting flavors, by the way. What do we have here? Menu 12, elbow macaroni in tomato sauce. Another one. Actually, good stuff. Good stuff, guys. I put that away. And we have menu 2. Yeah, another one. Vegetable crumbles. I put that away. And we have one more left. It says a lot of things. This doesn't contain any meat. Neither of these MREs contain any meat. And I did a review on these MREs back in November 2022. Video is posted on his channel. Okay. And it says Deorse. Okay. This is the humanitarian daily ration. Really cool. So, basically, I got 6 MREs. And I'm very pleased am very thankful for getting this from Deorse, and I'm really appreciate it. You're a great guy. Thank you, my friend. I'm really touched. 6 MREs weighing 4.8 kilo. That will put some weight to your backpack. Thank you, my friend. I don't know what to say, but 6 MREs. That's awesome. And I'm really curious on this. And I will actually try one when I find a suitable time for it. Because if you are gonna try one of these, you need some time to relax and enjoy it, okay? And especially if you are going to make a video. So I'm not gonna read the letter he wrote me. I will read it off camera. Thank you anyway, my friend. That's all, guys, for today's video. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos and go live. So take care. I'm ShadowScoutSwede, and I'm out. Stay safe.